Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today I'm making Tom Cruise's white chocolate coconut bundt cake that he sends to all of his friends over the holidays and maybe even for birthdays too. Do you want to know the truth? I want to know the truth.
I think I'm entitled.
You want answers!
I want the truth!
You can't handle the truth!
Behind this recipe. So supposedly it started back in the 2000s when Diane Keaton actually gifted this cake to Tom Cruise. And since that period of time, he's loved this cake so much. He's gifted it to Angela Bassett, Tom Hanks on a regular basis, and many other A-list celebrities. Is this cake going to take my breath away and yours? Let's find out. One thing I know for sure, this cake has a lot of butter, and a lot of sour cream, and a lot of cream cheese, and a lot of sugar in it. So you do the math, A plus B plus C plus D equals delicious. Of course, how could this not be? But let's find out for sure. And we're also making it because how could I resist making this delicious cake? Tom Cruise's friends insist this is the only one to bake. Let's find out if they are right and take one or two or many bites. We will so be taking many bites to find out. I feel the need
for speed.
to find out if this cake is worth it. First things first, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Second thing, get your bundt pan or other pan is just fine, doesn't have to be this one. Grease the heck out of it, spray the heck out of it, get it ready to go. Flour, salt, baking soda, whisk or sift together. Add your whole lot of butter, sugar, cream together, vanilla extract, coconut extract, beat again. Add eggs one at a time. Add in your dry ingredients. Add your pudding mix. If it's not coconut but is vanilla instead, go ahead and make sure you've added a little bit of extra coconut extract. Alternate with your sour cream. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. Add the rest of your sour cream. Add in the rest of your dry ingredients. Add in some chopped white chocolate. Add to your prepared pan. Even it out best you can, doesn't have to be perfect. Bake for an hour and 30 minutes to an hour and 40 minutes. Your toothpick should come out clean, and if it starts to brown on top during the baking, go ahead and just put some aluminum foil on top. Time is up. Toothpick test. That is clean. Let's take it out. Let it rest for 15 minutes before inverting it and crossing our fingers that it comes out smoothly from the pan. Time to toast your coconut. Set the oven to 350 degrees and go ahead, spread your coconut out on a cookie sheet, and you'll be stirring it around every couple minutes or so, just making sure that no parts get more brown than the others, and then take it out when it's toasted. Time to turn out the cake. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yay! Let your bundt cake fully come to room temperature before frosting. Powdered sugar, whole lot of it. Butter, Cream cheese, gently stir together. Time to ice the cake. Go ahead and try to get a crumb layer on, and then we're going to go back. Go in a little nicer with your second layer. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. If you've watched my videos so far, you know frosting is not my thing, but the beauty of it is we're going to put all this toasted coconut on top. Just press it in. You don't have to use all of it. Okay, let's cut it open. Wow, oh wow, oh wow. Take a good look. First off, the toasted coconut. Second off, that cream cheese frosting. Third, the cake. I mean, that's a lot of butter in here with the sour cream and the sugar. I think this is going to be outrageously good. Something tells me this does not fit into Tom Cruise's typical daily eats, but that's okay. It's all in the taste. I mean, come on. That is ridiculous. I have to take another bite just to make sure. Oh. Wow. Wow. That is an incredible cake. It is a denser, more pound-like cake, but again, filled with all of that luscious butter and sour cream. It is super moist and so delicious. And then that layer of the cream cheese frosting, it's cream cheese frosting, come on. And then the lovely toasted coconut on top is a trifecta. A trifecta! Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
Seriously, if I can make this Tom Cruise white chocolate coconut bundt cake for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram, and keep those challenges coming. This was a fantastic one. It'll take your breath away.